Hey, Dave, not here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thank you for being here. All right, so we're at Thursday, April 28th, 2022. We got a kind of a double top coming in here, 104.93 area. This is the last time we've been here, was the high. The wrong way with that. Got a line right there. That is, what is that? That'd be R2, close to the R2 line. R2 today, it should be 104.79, which is basically where we're trading. Did I miss that one? What do we got here? What can I use? Arrow line? What about a horizontal line? A horizontal line go across the frickin' charts. I had to change colors, but there's the horizontal line. The double top. See the downward pressure right after that downward facing dog. Yeah, right. The double top. Nice little move here on the downside from after it posted the high here at 1248. Going down here to the low, roughly, what's this right here? Oh, by the way, I marked the 1.5p, which would have brought it at 104.02, $104.02. As you can see, it didn't reach 104.02 on the downswing. All right, so let's bring this across. Let's minimize that a little bit. Let's go find that chart I just put behind. Where is it? This one? Nope. This one? There it is. All right, so this is our 60-minute chart. Notice this is the lines that we put on yesterday. Let's blow this puppy up a little bit. NinjaTrader has stopped working. That's not good. I think we're still recording, but yeah. All right, let's see if we can. All right, so it closed out NinjaTrader. See if we can open it up again. That's a first. Blow up the initial NinjaTrader. Let's get this chart running again. Connections. All right, I think we're good again. 104.72. Got a horizontal line. Let's just put the arrow line on for now because we know what that looked like previously. Right there. Very dangerous setup here to be shorting. All right, so let's bring back over that 60-minute chart that blew up the chart here. We tried to frickin' A, it did it again. Try to maximize the 60-minute chart, and it just sent it on a tizzy. All right, so we won't do that again. So that was the same damn thing I did last time. It's my youngest son, by the way. Right there, number 45. He was a sophomore, played on varsity last year. He's big and strong now. Anyway, I think he says he's going to switch his number. My oldest is at Cal U in Pennsylvania, backup left tackle as a freshman. Looks like he'll hopefully be a starter for his junior and senior year. Got recruited D2 school. Big boy. 6 foot, almost 6'4". He's roughly 6'4". I think he's weighing in at 285 now. Like I said before, this is dangerous. Can't maximize this up because it's going to blow up again. But you can see this is the R2 line, and let's see if I can bring this down. Here's R3 and the 100% up move. So we got a possibility that 107, 105 is on the charts here. Halfway in between R2 and R3 might be on the charts. Let's go back, hit the F for fixed scale, click to restore, and then let's go ahead and look at the 15-minute on this chart here and look and see what we see. Pretty spooked at this point. Last time I got in caught, I'm trying to remember how I got caught last Thursday. I mean, ideally I wanted to tempt it at 105 even. Possible trade would have been right at the 130 mark and shorten it, taking it on at 131 roughly. Let's see here, really not a good setup though. I didn't cross over to here. This line, see the crossover is down here with the MACD and confirming with the Williams %R. Not a very strong 1, 2, 3 down either. This one didn't really form. This was the high of the market up here, and it never came back above the highway until really didn't really come back above the highway at all in that whole move when it went down to here. Possible short in this area right here. Nice strong retracement. I guess no, it's not a retracement. This is a nice strong trend move back up. The counter trend short side trade was active for a little bit. That whole move took 12:45 to roughly, what's that right here? Say 1 o'clock, about a 15-minute move down to, what is this? It's about half an hour move, I guess, down. What's the overall market looking like right now? I'm going to pause right here until I figure out what I want to do. Right now I just don't have a clue. So the Dow's up 550 points roughly. S&P almost up 196.7. NASDAQ is up 349. It's green across the board. Bonds are up. Oil is up $2.63 right now. Gold is up. Silver down though. And the cryptocurrencies are up as well. Bitcoin back above 40,000. So it's a strong, whoops, I didn't mean to get rid of that one. So it's a strong response to the market right now. They're talking about Germany taking on, not opposed to energy sanctions, whatnot. Didn't really help the day trading right now, though. Maybe we're going to push to 105. I'm going to wait. I just got a feeling at this point in time there's a push coming. Maybe down one more time, then pushing. I'm going to pause for now. We'll take a look at the market. If something drastic happens, I'll come back on. Otherwise, we'll just most likely look at it in the last half hour between 2 and 2:30 and see what we see there. We're closing in on the 2 o'clock mark. 1 minute prior to 2. Last half hour. Not a whole hell of a lot going on, really, to be honest. Just still think we attempt the 105 mark right now and to close. Looking at the market itself, you can see that you have a channel, right? The 104.99 back here. I think that was the high. 104.97, I believe, is the high right now. Possible move going up to the 105 area. Tempting it. Maybe a strong close. I just don't see it yet. I'm going to pause until I see something I want to do. All right, we might be making a move here. I don't know if I showed you today, but just in case we didn't. 26.52 stops, 64.95 targets. Trading 2. Got one eye on 205 right now. I might see the trade. Really hesitant to take on a short or a long right now. Real close to the R2 line, so we got to be careful. R2, R3, it could be a strong up move going up into close. Let's drill down to the 10-minute chart and see if we see anything different. That's not a bad chart to hold on to for now on 10s. Making that move to the 105 area here, maybe. 104.90, 105. Here's where I want to take it on.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order canceled.
I only got 50 ticks. Excuse me, 50 ticks. $50. We did take it on. I just don't know. I mean, triple top basically here now, right? Triple top breakthrough. So we're looking at the market. Get a screen draw tool out here. So here's the 105 area, right? We've done this. Hit the mark 3 times. This gets really difficult to take on a short now at that. We tried it, but the odds of it doing this are pretty good. And it has done that right now. It's at 105.29. I think I might hold on to my $50 today and get my Big Mac meal. So here's what it looks like right now on the 10-minute chart. Remember, we've got that, I guess it's not on this chart, need to scale to 15. Or is it on the hourly chart that I had the, there it is. There's an interesting move right there at 76.4%, the 105.60 mark. You got 100% up here at the 107. I don't see it getting as high as that right now, but certainly can get to push close to the 106 here and to close. Let's just do this. So that's a 60-minute chart. Let's pull that off screen. I'm flat right now. We shorted two, get that triple top, and it busted through it. Guess I could have taken a long on there. I really don't want to take a short above the R2 mark into the last, we got what, last 20 minutes of trading here. I don't know yet. We're going to pause. So let's see if there's anything I want to do at all. So we might have a shot. Look at what happens at the 10, was it the 105.70 mark, right? All right, let's pause and see if we do anything here. It's starting to heat up a little bit here. New high is 105. What is that right there? 105, 50, 54. New high 105.54. Prior high is 104.97. Coming down. Makes sense for it to go back to the 104.97 prior break. We don't have any confirmation on MACD and Williams %R to take on anything here. I was going to take this on. I should have taken it on right here. Didn't like it though. Of course. Back to the R2 line. Might be a possible trade right in here. Question you have to ask yourself, is this the high of the day right now? For now? Do we got another run in us going this way? Or is the next move coming that way? Don't really have an idea right now. I'm watching this. and I'm watching that. I think we can definitely take a run at 105 again.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
All right. See what we got here on the upside. See if we got an up move going on here. You know, I don't like up moves, but this is the best one I've seen in a while.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Didn't want to run. I do not really want to take anything on again. I think I'm just going to stick with the 17 and be done here. Up 17 ticks off of 4 trades altogether, two attempts today. That was probably the best shot for it to run back up here. It still could do it. I like the crossover that I saw here in the MACD. I like that whole move. That was a good chance for it to really run there, and it didn't. That could have run right here. It just stopped. No, it's trading down here. I guess if I would have been Johnny on the spot and taken it on the higher up here, I just didn't see that as well. Take on a short above the R2 line, just like taking on a long below the S2 line. That's kind of some of the rules that I follow. Got to have a reason to short above R2, like I have to have a reason to go long below S2. I really need a good reason to do it, and playing against the highs, and I really thought that we would make a run a little bit higher up to here. Got close to it, so maybe that was as high as it's going to go, and I don't know. But I did win a little bit, not much, but a little. Really don't want to take anything on now. I'm going to take my ball and run home here with it. We'll wrap up here at the 2:30 mark. So I'm going to pause here, see how the market finishes off in the next 7 minutes. Be back in 7. All right, here's an interesting setup. I'm not going to trade it, but just so you see it. Got a GAN signal going for the high. X marks the spot. Hmm. 3 minutes to Wapner here. That's all she wrote right there. like you would close out a little below this 73 line, around 71. Let's keep our eyes and see if it gets to 71 here. And now you'd be like at the 76, right on top of that R2 line now in the close, 79. There it goes. Oh, if I just had the gut to take it on. Last couple of minutes of the trading day. I guess the good news is I saw it. Now I just have to have the guts to take it on. Alright, let's figure out where that would be. 104.51, right? 104.51. And if you had a 1.5p move, it'd be 105.46. Wow, there it is going in. Damn, if I just had the guts to take it on. Shit. Such is life. Closing out all trade. There it is. It hit it. Ah, you bastard. Hit both. Hit them both. 1p and 1.5p. Close out right there. That's your closeout. Oh, that would have been a nice end of trade there. So I'll take my 17 ticks and call it a day. I mean, I guess half the thing is seeing things. So I saw it, I just didn't trade it. So what do we got going on? High of 51.459. Good. Plus 17 ticks on 4 trades. Actually took on a long trade today, believe it or not. Huh? So we have 51.459. I think I was a little bit hesitant because of last Thursday I blew my account. So I was a little bit on the hesitant side today. Didn't want to blow my account on today. But I did make 51.141. That doesn't seem right. I guess it is right. 141. Just no, that's cash on hand. That's not right. 51.295. 51.295. There's the 105.60, 70 area. Really wanted to be Johnny on the spot. Great short opportunity right here now. Coming back down. That's super tempting.
Order filled.
Let's take it on.
Order filled. Order canceled. Order canceled.
Shit. Oh well, we got 310. Well, we took it on. I hit the wrong frickin' button again. That makes it a little bit better. 31 ticks instead of 17. And took it on at the high up there. I think it was 105.66, right? There's the high right there. 105.68. 105.68. Made a new high, just barely a high of the other high. I'd rather have taken on the 104.51 mark though. to be honest. So, well, we ended up getting a little bit better. 31 ticks plus 31 ticks on 6 trades. Just double check, make sure that I don't have anything on. We're flat. That's a little bit more respectable, I guess. So we have plus 31 ticks. Got to get better at, it is what it is. I'm not worrying about it. I wished I caught the other trade, to be honest. That's the one I saw. I just was looking at it and I thought, there's only 3 minutes left on the day. I mean, it's auto liquidate threshold value says 49,051. Count balance is 51,426, 51,426. And we have a high account balance at 51,551. Take the difference between the 51,426 and the other 51,426 and this 49,051. We're at 2,375 on the threshold difference. Trailing stop. Oh. All right, so if we would have taken it on, what was the time on that? Let's go back and look at that long trade, because that's the one that I saw. I just didn't have the guts to take it on. So here's your setup coming in here. So we had 5 minutes left on it. Well, actually 4 minutes left on the trading day, the way I trade it. So here's your GAN signal coming through prices, right? And this is this right here, right above, right when it reaches here, that's a great time to take it on. Or right as it reaches the highway is a great time to try the long on. Right there would have been a great opportunity right there above that thrust bar. So say 104.77 roughly, and then closing out right in here 105.46 and anything you had left. That would have been a better trade than taking on the short up at the highs, but part of my plan, when the high doesn't bust the previous high by a lot, just like on the other side, when a short doesn't break the short by a lot, you have an opportunity for a quick profit, quick trade in and out. I would have preferred to take it on the other side of that trade. That'd have been, say, about 140 ticks going the other direction, roughly on 2. That would have been an awesome trade. All right, let's wrap it up here. That's enough today. It's a positive day, moving closer to the goal. 51,426. I'm halfway after. Today was today my 3rd trading day or 4th trading day? 4th trading day, I believe. Yeah, today's day 4 in the account. I closed yesterday at up 1,140, and now I'm up 1,400 roughly and 50 bucks. 1426 up. So I'm about halfway to the 53,000 mark roughly that I need to be to move on to the next level again, to the PA account. So day 4 in EA. We'll see you on tomorrow, it being Friday, last trading day of the week. We'll take a look at the market and see if we can find anything tomorrow. See you. Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here.